Hi, and welcome to this mindful watercolor and doodle session. Let's have some fun and create a playful watercolor background wash with some flower doodles on top. I'll be using a big brush, watercolor paper, watercolor paint, these are color sheets, and a size 0.1 fine liner. But you can use any marker that you have. I'm using the color sheets from Viviva Colors here, which have 16 bright and saturated watercolor pigments in a pocket-sized booklet. This comes in very handy when you're painting outside or traveling. Let's start with the background wash first. I'm choosing some bright colors for this, wetting the pigment on the color sheet and just putting the paint down on the paper loosely. I'm not really thinking about how I want this to be, just letting the brush touch the paper and spread the paint. When I'm using another color, I let the paint flow into each other. Look at that bright color. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm also splashing a bit with my brush to create some splashing effects in my wash. Just playing around here. As you can see, adding green and red in this wash makes the overlap a bit brown. So to keep it bright, I will choose another color next time. Since this is just a playful painting, I don't care and I will keep it in mind for next time. The fun thing about playful painting is that you allow yourself to learn new things along the way, and it doesn't matter if you make mistakes. I'm sure it will turn out fine anyway. After creating this wash, I let it fully dry before I start on the drawings on top of it with my fine liner. I'm creating the flower doodles from the flower doodle tutorial by one of Unwindle's creators, DCA. You can look up this video to learn how to paint these flower doodles step by step. It's easier than it might look like. I'm filling some leaves as well with a marker to create more variation in the doodles. I just love to just mindlessly doodle. This painting is finished now. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did and that this video gave you some inspiration for what you could do with watercolor and doodling together. Enjoy!